This video on the Poisson distribution assumes that you have done some reading or video watching about it. The example in this video will just cover how to do certain calculations with technology. First of all, lambda is the number of occurrences of an event over some interval of time or measurement. T is the interval of time or measurement being considered. So the mean is calculated as lambda multiplied with t, and the standard deviation is the square root of that mean. The example I'll look at is the potholes on a major highway in the city of Chicago occur at the rate of 3.4 per mile. Compute the probability that the number of potholes over 3 miles of randomly selected highway is, and then there's several problems down below. I need to first calculate my mean. I was told that there are 3.4 potholes per mile, but I'm interested in 3 miles, so I need to multiply this by t, the interval of time or measurement. My measurement is 3 miles. Multiplying this together, I get 10.2. My mean is 10.2. I take the square root of 10.2 to get my standard deviation. This is 3.194. And now I can go on to solving this. We want to know the probability that there are exactly 7 potholes over a 3-mile stretch in Chicago. So I want the probability that x is equal to 7. Go over to StatCrunch, select calculators, select Poisson, type in the mean as 10.2, select equals on the x, change this to 7. The probability is 0.0847. If I want fewer than 7 potholes, that would mean x is less than 7. And I end up with 0.1180. That means about 12% of the 3-mile stretches in Chicago's highways will have less than 7 potholes. The next one is at least 7. That changes this to the probability that x is greater than or equal to 7, which is actually the complement of what we just did. So I can go 1 minus the 0.1180 and have an answer of 0.8820. On part D, if I want to have between 6 and 9 potholes, then I need to use a different part of StatCrunch, because I want 6 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 9. I need to come over and grab the between, change this to 6 and 9, hit compute. Find out that the probability of having between 6 or 9 potholes over a 3-mile stretch is 0.3733. The last question, would it be unusual for a randomly selected 3-mile stretch of highway in Chicago to contain more than 15 potholes? I would want to go back to the standard, and I want more than 15 potholes. That's greater than 15. And I end up with about a 5.6%. So no, it is not unusual because it's more than 5%.